Good morning everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to run a Java program using command line. So to run a Java program in command line, we need Notepad and we need JDK, Java JDK and JRE. Yeah, these are pretty much, and we need to check our JDK path is set or not. So path and class path we need to set. Yeah, these are pretty much to start writing our first hello world Java using a command line. So why we required to learn and write a program using command line and notepad? Because we need to understand how the process is happening, how the compiler compiles, and what is the path and class path, how they set, what are the use of them, and how the internal things are happening around Java compiler and Java runtime environment. If you are going to use Eclipse, like we can nowadays, whatever the development we are doing real time, we use the IDEs like Eclipse or NetBeans, or there are so many IDEs. But when you use the IDE, all the things are being hidden, like compilation or say when you save. Just if you click Control S, internally the .class file will be generated in IDEs. So we won't get a chance to learn how the compiler process happened, how the runtime process, and how the path, how the JVM reads the Java classes .class files from the class path. These are we can learn from basics. This is also most important when you are appearing for the interview. Interviewer might ask you to know your understanding on these tools and this process. So let me jump to coding, and we'll see how we can run this file in command line. Yeah, as I said, we need a notepad. So I am using a notepad plus plus. We can use a simple notepad also. There is no problem. Yeah. To write a class, just I'm writing a demo class, public class, and class name is welcome, and this is my class body. So starting braces and ending braces. Inside this, I'm writing a method. It's a main method. The syntax is public static void main and string array, string args, and this is my method body. Inside my main method, I am just printing system dot out dot println. Println is a new line printing command. So this method, I'm printing welcome to command line execution for Java. Yeah, this is pretty much. Yeah, we need to keep semicolon to denote the end of the line, and we need to save this file. So file and save, and in desktop I am saving in demo folder. And here we need to remember one thing: this is by default saving to normal text file .txt extension, but our Java file extension is .java. We need to keep, so we should keep in double quotes so that whatever extension we are giving, that will be taken as a file extension. And our file name is, should be class name welcome, and file extension is .java, and I'm saving inside demo folder. So save. Here one more thing, I am not giving any package, so I am not keeping this file inside any folder. So there is no package. Generally, if you write inside any project, you will keep a package. But as for demo, this is pretty much fine. Let me compile. So for that, we need a command line cmd command prompt. So click this command prompt, and check whether you have Java and JDK installed in your system. Java version. Yeah, in my system I have JRE 14, JDK and JRE, and Java compiler. Yeah, Java compiler also there, and those are path has been set. That's the reason I able to run these commands, Java C and Java commands. These are the tools which are available in JDK bin. My path is set, so I able to execute these commands through command line. If you are not aware how to set the path and class path, you can watch my previous videos. I will give the a URL in below description part. Yeah, let me jump to compilation. So here in desktop in demo folder, I have welcome.java file. So let me copy this path and paste here. So I am going to that path and compiling there itself. So now I'm in demo folder. Yeah, here demo folder, I have welcome.java file. To compile Java program, we need to give command java c, and what is the file name? Welcome.java. We need to give with extension welcome.java to compile. Okay. So it is saying there are some compilation issues. Let me see what is the problem. One thing look like I have used single quotes. We should not use single quotes for character. For we should use single quote for a character and double quote for a string. So string should be inside a double quote. Now let me compile again. Yeah, now this is pretty much fine. It's got compiled, and we can see dot class file is getting generated here. Now my dot class file is ready. Now what is next? We need to run this program. To run, we need to invoke the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It is command is Java, and here we need to give fully qualified class name. Uh, in our case, we don't have any package name, so fully qualified name itself class name. Welcome. So welcome, and we should not give any dot class or dot java here. Just we need to give the class name, fully qualified class name. If you have package, we need to prefix with package. Let me run this one. Enter, and we got the output console of welcome to command line execution for Java, which we have given in our print statement. So that got printed. So we have seen how to run a Java program in command line. Let me slightly complicate this one. Just I need to add a package. So for that, this is a keyword unit is package, and my package name is word.sun. I am giving the package and semicolon to line break. Yeah. Now I am saving this file into same folder. File, save as, and actually I am using a package word.sun. So we need to keep this inside a package. Those are nothing but command line Windows folders. Warg, inside that Warg, my folder name is sun. Sorry, sun. Yeah, here same. Here save as Java source type .java. So directly we can save. For safer side, I am keeping double quotes. Okay, welcome.java. Now my Java file is inside sun folder. That is nothing but Java package. And let me change something slightly using packaging. Okay. Let me compile and run. For compiling, I need to go into deeper into that package. So cd warg.sun. Yeah, I'm inside the package. Now I'm compiling. Java C is the command to compile, and welcome is my file name, welcome.java. Yeah, it is got compiled. To run our program, I need to use a fully qualified name. My fully qualified name is what.sun.welcome is my Java file name. So let me come out from this folder. Yeah, from here, see, we need to run from Java program from here, starting up the folder package, and to run this Java command we have to use, and the fully qualified name is warg.sun.welcome, and we should not give any dot class or dot java here. Up to here, that is enough. Let me run. Yeah, the new file with the name welcome to command line execution for Java using packaging, that is got executed, and we got the output. This is pretty much about how to run a Java program in a command line without using IDEs. So recap on what we have learned so far. So we have learned things like how to run a Java program, how to write a code in a notepad, simple notepad without using editors, I mean IDEs. And we have seen JDK commands like Java and Java compiler, Java C, we have seen. And in the path, I mean command line, we have executed those files, compiled and run, and we able to get this output. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.